In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Asana for accountability for clients. 2025, step by step. We'll build a clean, repeatable system that keeps your clients on track, reduces back and forth, and gives you clear visibility on progress. Start by creating a new project from a blank project and name it something like Client Accountability Hub. Choose List View for a simple, scannable layout. Add sections for week 1 through week 4, plus wins and milestones, resources, links, and questions. This structure sets expectations, keeps everything in one place, and makes it easy for clients to know exactly where to work and where to ask for help. Next, invite your client as a guest using the Share button. Set their permission to can comment or can edit. Choose Edit if they'll mark tasks complete themselves. Keeping permissions intentional maintains project hygiene and prevents accidental changes. Now add weekly accountability tasks. You can set these up all at once or roll them out weekly. Typical items include submitting a progress update, completing a training module, sending proof of work, executing action steps, reviewing KPIs, and attending a coaching call. Write task titles as clear actions and add concise instructions or links in the description so clients never wonder what done looks like. Assign each task to your client and add a due date. Due dates are crucial. They populate the client's My Tasks and enable reminders. If you work across time zones, note the expected delivery time in the description. For ongoing routines, make tasks recurring. Create the task, set a due date, click Repeat, and choose Weekly. Asana will generate the next instance automatically, which is perfect for check-ins, KPI submissions, homework, and content reviews. If the routine ends, add an end date or switch off recurrence later. If you want structured reflections, create a check-in task and paste prompts in the description, such as what went well, what was challenging, the results achieved, and the focus for next week. Clients can answer directly in the task or attach files. Consider turning this into a task template to save time. Enhance tracking with custom fields, via project, customize, then add custom field. Useful fields include status, priority, accountability type, and progress percentage. These fields make reporting and coaching conversations more objective. Automate the follow-through with rules. For example, when a task is completed, move it to wins and milestones. When a due date is approaching, send a reminder. And if a task becomes overdue, notify you. Build these under Customize Rules, Add Rule, using templates or a custom setup. A few smart automations keep momentum without constant manual nudges. Use task comments for coaching, give feedback, ask clarifying questions, upload corrected files, and tag your client with the @ to notify them. This centralizes communication and keeps context attached to the work. Switch to calendar view whenever your client needs a visual plan of deadlines, weekly tasks, check-ins, and deliverables. It's great for planning capacity and reducing surprises. If you run weekly calls, create a recurring task assigned to the client, add the meeting link in the description, and attach a pre-call questionnaire. A clear task ensures they arrive prepared and accountable. Finally, build a simple dashboard under Dashboard, add widgets. Track tasks completed this week, overdue tasks, progress per week, and overall completion percentage. Share this in sessions to celebrate wins, spot risks early, and align on next steps. With this setup, your Asana workspace becomes a reliable accountability engine for every client.